okay.
Chopsticks, chopsticks,
Girl, you got me so high, high. Girl, I swear the thing nice, nice. Girl, you got me so high, high. Girl, I swear the thing nice, nice.
Nakazulishe pasura ya upanga shingo huko nyuma kasimura.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by applying my black castor oil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my virgin hair fertilizer.
We'd go to bed in my arms, you're safe and sound.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Indian hemp cream.
Next, how far can we get if we sail?
Then I'm gonna detangle my hair.
How can we get if we sail? A little bit high, a little bit low.
So right here I'm gonna start with my braiding pattern.
We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
So right here I'm done with my braiding pattern. I think I have about 16 braids all together.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes, staring at the moon.
So this is the Kanekalon hair I'll be using. I ended up using 4 packs to achieve this style. And I did not cut the Kanekalon hair at all. I just used the hair like that. So I'm going to take a little pieces of it and then I'm going to start doing the crochet from the back.
A little bit low. How far can we get if we sail? A little bit high, a little bit low. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm
If it's too long for you, you can always cut the hair into 2 or into 3 equal half and then just do the crochet if you prefer the short one. So now I've gotten to the front. I'm going to show you guys how I do the invisible part method. You guys can see. Instead of putting both strands, I'm just going to go ahead and put just one strand. So that's what I'm gonna keep doing.
Your lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see.
And yes guys, after that I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the hair properly. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Classical boy.
Mix Niger Entertainment.
Yeah, Seri Makaburi.